The syrup line's leaking. This could ruin the whole route.
Don't panic, Sea Turtle. I see a smarter path ahead.
Oh, the shaking lines are making it hard to stay on course.
Adjust the hook. Slide it left before the syrup drips further.
Got it! Sliding the hook now. Hold tight, team. The clock's ticking, and this cargo could tip any second.
Focus, Sea Turtle. Watch for openings. There's always one clear move.
See it now. A way to lock the cargo in place. That's it. Pull the line tight, then secure the latch. I'll brace the rig while you finish. We've got this. Locked in. The cargo's secure, and the bridge is stable again.
We did it! Smarter thinking made all the difference.
What a finish! I couldn't have done it without you two. Same here. Working together always unlocks the best solutions. Everyone